Eva punya dong.
Happy birthday, Tita Jo. I hope you have a wonderful birthday and eat a lot of cake and get many love and presents. May God bless you in your birthday. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. Hi po! Kumusta po? Ito ang iyong paboritong pamangkin, si Nika. Happy 50th birthday po, tita. Grabe, hindi ka nababata. Tumatanda ka lang. Pero, at least, maganda ka pa rin. Alam mo na. Wishing you, tita, good health and God bless you po. Mwah! Happy birthday ulit.
Iyon. Happy birthday, tita. Happy 50th birthday to you, ta. Sana tumagal ka pa. More 50 years pa. Kaya yun lang. Sayang wala kami kapag celebrate ng 50 birthday mo, ta. Kaya mo next time, may next time ba, si-celebrate natin yan. Pag nakauwi. Yun. Happy birthday, ta. Always kayo mag-iingat. At lagaan nyo yung sarili nyo. Yun lang. Happy birthday, ta. God bless.
Birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Why you have to hide your teeth?
I don't want teeth.
Where's the singer?
No teeth to hide.
Okay.
Ikke synge, si happy birthday,
Happy
sister-in-law.
Also,
I don't know what I
message to her.
Happy birthday is not a message.
It's not. It's a greetings.
Okay, the message is many more birthday to come.
Look the camera.
I cannot.
Amal.
Like you know, man, come on you.
Yes. Happy birthday, my sister.
Yeah, I said so. Happy
Yes.
birthday.
You're getting old now.
You're only 5 years behind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
5 years behind.
Yeah, you're 45,
Yeah.
right?
I forgot what I say. I will say, wish you all the best.
And fuck the rest.
We gotta send this picture. What?
Why not? Okay.
Okay.
Stop.
50th birthday.
So,
They papa crazy.
papunya dong.